Hi, I am Dr. Manushi Shaha, one of the founders of Travelers of Bangladesh, Bhraman Konna. This organization has been working for the women and adolescent group of girls since 2016. Our motto is Empower Women Through Traveling. We have undertaken a program, Narir Chokhe Bangladesh, that means Bangladesh through woman's eye, since 6 June 2017. Under this program, we have covered all over our country, 64 districts of it. We took 2 motorcycles and 4 girls with a team of volunteers. We reached each and every district of our country. In our district, we have organized a program in one school consisting of the girls around adolescence age, and we have talked about Bangladesh, about liberation war, about menstrual health and self-defense. The menstrual health, we emphasized on this topic because in our country menstrual health is still a taboo topic to speak about. So the people feel hesitated, so the girls feel ashamed to talk about this. Even if they encounter a problem, a health issue, they hesitate to speak for this, let alone seek the medical advice. So we wanted to enlighten them about this very natural process of the body, and to maintain the hygiene during this time, and provide them with the information, with the necessary equipment, so that they can be healthy, they can clean themselves, they can maintain the hygiene during this period of time. And this is our phase 1. In our phase 1, we have completed 64 school in 64 districts. That ended in 2019 5th May, and now we are going to take the extended version of this program. And in this program, we are targeting to reach each and every school in each district in our country. That means we want to reach every girl, every person, so that they can be educated, they can be enlightened about this very natural human body physiology. And that is our motto, to empower women. Thank you.